Okay guys, for the chicken kebab we need, I will read the ingredient because for sure I will forgot some spices. 5 tablespoons of yogurt. After I add 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Be careful because the turmeric powder is very yellow. It can make yellow everything that you touch with the turmeric powder. Plus a pinch of coriander, a pinch of nutmeg, and half juice of lime. And naturally we need a chicken. I will use 750 grams of braised chicken. You can use all the parts of the chicken that you like, without skin and without bones, up to you. So now I cut the lime, I add the juice of the lime, I mix everything well, we cut the chicken and we put directly in our creamy sauce to marinate. And after we wait 1 hour that the chicken marinate in these spices. During this time I will prepare the Arabic bread. Don't worry, I don't show you the process because I have already posted the video. I will put the link in the comment of the video and at the end of this video. In this way you can mix the Arabic bread with the chicken kebab. After 1 hour we take an onion or a potato, we cut into pieces and we put the stick. In this way our kebab will be stable. After we put our slices of chicken, every time you change the direction, we complete with the remaining part of the onion, the other half, a piece of aluminum paper. We put in the oven preheated at 200 Celsius degree for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we remove the aluminum wrap, the aluminum paper, and we put the oven at the maximum power. And we will cook other 5-10 minutes, up to you, on the base of the color that you like of your chicken kebab. And naturally, after we will cut and we will taste our chicken kebab. After 45 minutes at 200 Celsius degree, plus 10-15 minutes at 230 Celsius degree, our chicken kebab is ready. Now I will remove from this pot. I will put in a dish where I have already put the onion, the tomato, the salad. I prepare also the tzatziki sauce. And now I will make my kebab homemade. I will also open one home brew beer, the salty beer. See you later. Spettacolo. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. Any question, write down in the comments. Bye bye.